You've got 7 days till the exam. Your syllabus? Thicker than a fantasy novel. Your brain? Somewhere between burnout and a Netflix binge. And your motivation? On a permanent vacation. But listen, you don't need 6 months. You need a battle plan. Welcome to your 7-day exam comeback protocol. Built on brain science, productivity magic, and just the right dose of academic insanity. Let's unlock study mode unhinged. Day 1 operation. Syllabus strike. Today is clarity day. Panic loves confusion, so we kill it with a plan. Step 1. The syllabus dissection. Write down everything, no filters. From the easiest formula to that one dreaded chapter no one understands. Step 2. The 80-20 laser focus. Find the 20% of topics that make up 80% of the paper. How? Check past year papers, ask toppers. Bribe your teacher? Okay, maybe not. Step 3. Time box the beast, use a 7-day calendar. Slot 2 major topics plus 2 minor ones per day. Avoid perfectionism. You're not coding the Mars rover. Apps. Try Notion, My Study Life, or Focus To Do, or go analog, just get it done. Day 2 to 3, input overload, study with fire. Now we feed the brain, not just stare at words and hope for a miracle. Passive reading, passive forgetting. Instead, active recall. Close the book, write what you remember. Use apps like Anki or RemNote. Try blurting, dump knowledge on paper, fix what's missing. Spaced repetition. Review on day 1, 3, 5, 7. Lock in memory like it's Fort Knox. Bonus brain boost. Dual coding. Combine words plus visuals. Draw diagrams, sketch mnemonics, color code like an artist on caffeine. Day 4 to 5. Output phase. Teach like a legend. Now flip the switch. Input, output. You're no longer a student. You're a teacher, a guru, a syllabus-destroying sensei. Feynman Technique. Pick a topic. Explain it like you're teaching a golden retriever. Find the gaps. Relearn, repeat. Mock tests, sheer muscle memory, past papers, timed sessions, pressure practice. You're not just studying, you're rehearsing your victory. Mistakes? Good. Highlight them like treasure maps. Each red mark, cowies, level up. Day 6, consolidation station. Today, we solidify the fortress. No new info, only reinforcement. Revise bullet-style notes. Review flashcards. Revisit your weak zones like a boss. Mini meditation, 5 to 10 minds. Lower anxiety, boost recall, and sleep. Seriously. Deep sleep. Memory upload mode. Don't sacrifice it for one more chapter. That's self-sabotage. Day 7, simulation. Day, final boss mode. This is your exam dress rehearsal. No distractions, full-length test phone. Gears, airplane mode. Snacks, Gears optional. Focus, Gears mandatory. Afterward, review accuracy, check speed, identify last-minute gaps. Use lo-fi or binaural beats to sharpen focus. Eat brain fuel. Eggs, oats, nuts, water. Forget energy drinks. Your brain prefers hydration over hype. You don't need to be a genius. You just need a plan, pressure, and persistence. In 7 days, you're not cramming. You're transforming. So when you walk into that exam hall, you're not scared. You're armed, trained, dangerous. And when someone asks how you pulled it off, just say, I studied like a tactical beast, 1 week, no excuses, full focus. Like if your brain's now on fire, drop your emergency study tip in the comments. Your hack might save someone's grade. Subscribe for more no-fluff study power-ups. This channel is for the students who don't fold, even when it's day 7 and your book's still in shrink wrap. Now go, crush that exam.